How to deactivate Instagram account 2024. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can deactivate the Instagram account in 2024, so make sure to stick with me till the end. To deactivate your Instagram account, all you have to do is simply open up the Instagram app and you will see this type of interface. Then tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then tap on the three lines option located at the top right hand side. Then simply go to the option called Account Center. From Account Center, go to Personal Details. From Personal Details, go to Account Ownership and Control. And from here, simply go to Deactivation or Deletion. After that, make sure to select your Instagram account here. Then all you have to do is simply leave at the option called Deactivate Account. Tap and continue. The final step would require you to enter your password. So once you enter your password, tap and continue and you'd have successfully deactivated your Instagram account. That's all it takes to deactivate your Instagram account. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.